Hello everyone, this is the Transyro Tech. In this video we are going to show you the Eken H9R action camera. So let's start with the appearance. The camera's color is black and it has a 2-inch display on the back which isn't touchscreen. Its build quality is really nice even though it's made out of plastic. I personally dropped it 2 times and it has no problem at all. It can record in 4K 25 fps, 2.7K 30 fps, 1080p 30 and 60 fps, 720p 120 fps. It records in wide angle 170 degrees which cannot be switched off. It has a micro SD card slot on its side. It can be charged through a micro USB port which is located next to the micro SD slot. It also has a micro HDMI port next to the micro USB port. The menu can be accessed by cycling through the different modes. The menu can be navigated by the 2 buttons on the side. You can start recording or take a photo by pressing the button on the top. If the recording is started and going, red LED is flashing on the top. Its price right now is 85 USD on Amazon without an SD card. In conclusion, the Eken H9R is a good action cam if you don't want to break the bank or just want a secondary action cam. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment on it and share it. Also, click on the logo to subscribe to this channel, and if you want to watch more content, click on one of these videos.